Welcome to my ThatMuffinART channel. Let's draw a circle first please. Your pencil lightly on the paper. Now imagine the center of the circle. Begin moving your hand in a smooth, steady motion, creating a curve that loops around. Keep the pressure light as your hand glides across the page. As you complete the curve, aim to connect the line back to its starting point, forming a closed loop. Don't worry about it being perfect. Every circle has its own character. Now take a step back and observe your work, a simple yet elegant shape. Imagine a calm and clear narration that guides the viewer through each step. So please don't worry about it being perfect. Every circle has its own character. Now take a step back and observe your work. Thanks for watching this video.